My team name is Picker Upper and I will introduce my teammate first. He is Uday, he is Tanya and he is Dev. And today we are going to present a debate on the topic that children should have a right to choose their own career.
Himself is a parent who believes first. A very warm good afternoon to our honorable judges and my opposing team. Today IGR is here to tell you that parents should have authority to choose their children's career. First of all, I would like to introduce my teammates Gauri, Sia and Madhav. Parents are the ones who suffer a lot of difficulties to bring up their children so that they can live a healthy and happier life. Every parent wants to see their children well settled. Thus, I would like to end my introduction with the small quote, parents hardly make mistakes not just because they care, but they care so deeply. Thank you.
My name is Dev. I introduce a topic on people should choose their career to own, not their parents. People choose their career. People choose their career with own, not their parents. And they have right to live their dreams. A child can know his or her better interests and abilities that better than anyone else. A child can know his better interest than everyone else. If children choose their career according to their parents, they will have a boring academic life as they would face a lack of interest.
And a kid taking wrong decision about their career. Even if parents do not make their career choice, they can at least guide their kids to make a good decision. Parents should let their children to pick their own career because children would love to do things that they love. Parents provide a proper support to their kids by guiding and choosing them a right path. No parent would like to spoil their child's future by taking wrong decisions.
Parents can't decide children's career because the career being might not be pick the one that the children would love.
Okay, but parents choose their career about their ability, not their love and affection.
I want to close this point. Even if parents only want what's the best for their children, the job that parents like, it could be the job the children hate.
Parents are much more experienced than their kids. They have seen the world much more better than their kids, and thus the decision would be better and correct.
Every children have their right to choose what they want to do in their life and not let anyone to control it.
Okay, I know that every child should have the right to choose their career, but parents do not force their kids. They are only encourage their children because they know their ability what they can do.
Okay, you are saying that parents should decide the children career for to see their ability. So I am saying the job the parents decide for their children, it could be the job the children hate.
So I want to close this point. Thinking of making a suitable career takes a serious note during exam times. Children should leave their career choice on their parents and must focus on ongoing exams. They should not be under pressure in any ways.
Parents should allow their kids to find their own career.
Every child should be more grateful to his parents in this world. Parents are the ones who suffer a lot of difficulties and bring up their kids so they can live a happy and healthier life.
Every children have their own talent, so I think it's right for children to follow their own path and choose their career.
It is a desire of every parent to see their kids well settled in their life, and thus they have the right to choose a better career for their kids. Parents are the major influence factor in the life of a children.
If they try to butt in and change the way the kid does something, will end up with a career that they do not actually like and will end up quitting or never getting it anywhere.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To $80,000, and he is the most admired person on the internet today also.
There are many children in the world who do not listen to their parents and make friends with bad company and they come in their words, their bad friend words, and then they choose the career which is not suitable for them themselves, and then they suffer a lot in their future.
I would give example of the village in Bihar. In that village there are around 350 suicide case, which was because every student father was like that to choose farming. So that 350 students done suicide because of their father only, because his father or her father, his or her father was like to choose farming in their career. So there are many suicidal case and stress case, and that career choosing by parents also creates a stress on the student, and by the stress and in the path of career choosing, the stress is not there. So if the stress would be not there, then the career should be chosen, that would be good. So to prevent from this suicidal case, parents should influence them nothing but a bit, but all the power of career choosing should lie in the hand of the children, and that's the right for our India and for all the world. So I think that is the right way to enhance our children's career.
You are saying that parents should influence their children a bit, but there are many children in the world that do not listen to their parents and make bad friends, and the bad friends lead them to choose a bad career and their life spoils.
According to Times of India News, you can study it on internet, there are only 2.6% of the world population which are influenced by bad person. So there are many like 97%. You take a 3% example, but 97% is the children which are not taking their parents' career and going good in their life. So you can't think about only 3%. You should think about 97%. You can read on internet, in Times of India website, you should search, and now if we have to do success in India's life and in world's life, so you have to think about 97% people. You have not to think about 3% people. 3% doesn't increase the economy of the country or world, but 97% can do a change whatever they can.
Like we can take the example of the great scientist Albert Einstein. In his early age, when he was going to school, he was not good in studies. He was very poor in studies. So the teachers in the school give him the certificate TC. Then his mother do not pick up the career by her own, but his mother plays a most important role in his life, because his mother just the letter of the TC. His mother put the letter in the put the ladder anywhere so that he can't see it, and where if he see the ladder, he can be his moral will be down, and he will be and his confidence also. So his mother do not pick up career by her own, but his mother plays a most important role in his life.
We are talking about career. It is not meant by early childhood age. It is about age of 17 or 18, in which we have to take a career. In early childhood, no one thinks what career they would choose, and no one is aware about his passion. In early childhood, the mother knows that he will be a doctor, he will be an enterprise, he will be a doctor, or he will be an engineer. So in early childhood, no career is there. And Einstein, you are talking about Einstein, early childhood. So there is no nevertheless point in your talk, because in early childhood no career taking place is happen.
Oh, I'm not talking about the career. I'm talking about that her mother her mother plays an important role. But there are many children who decide their career in their early life.
So I think our topic is about career only. This is not about childhood, or we have to take the children to childhood to career. That's not the point. And I am giving an example. I would give example of Varun Chakravarti, a very finest bowler of IPL 2020. His parents forced him to do an architect and become an architect. He done, but that would create a very depression and stress on him. So after leaving his parents, he chose the career which was he was passionate about that. He chose cricket, and now he is selected in India's tour of Australia. So that's a very good achievement to a person by not taking his mother or father decision. So there are many more examples like MS Dhoni. You can take Katy Perry. I spoke about it. You can take about Jennifer Lawrence. She is also a very good singer. And there are many examples in the real life. You are not talking about real life. You are giving theory and theory. Not this is example round. So I am giving some examples. You are talking about Einstein early childhood. We are talking about career. We are talking about thinking of child and mother. You are talking about in early childhood mother. An early childhood mother is only there to care about the child. There is no thinking in your talk. So please talk carefully.
Parents know about the world than their children more, and children are not aware about the world, but parents are more aware about the world, and they have more knowledge about the world than their parents. So children can leave their choice of their career on their parents, because parents choose a better career for them.
I think this is example, no? Yes, example. So I am giving example. In the life of Sushant Singh Rajput, his father forced him to become an engineer, and he done his father's works. But but after that he felt a guilt. So he gone to Mumbai, and he followed a career of film industry, and now he was a very young actor and passionate actor. And now everyone has a mobile in hand, and everyone can look what Sushant Singh Rajput had done in his early when he was not a film star. So parents should influence some bit, but all the power should lie in the children hand. And this is example round. I am not giving any theory. I am giving example.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The conclusion of our debate, which is an important part of the debate. There is pros and cons of both that parents should have and should not have the authority to decide their children's career. But I am in the favor of that parents should have the authority to decide their children's career, because parents have more experience in their world than their child and have the better understanding of right and wrong decisions for career paths. The parent could act as a guide and make sure that their child makes good life decisions and does not set unrealistic goals. for themselves. If parents choose child's career, they will be more supportive to the child's future. Parents serve as a major influence on the children's career development. Parents influence the level of education or training that their children achieve. If parents choose child's career, parents know different occupations in their world than their child. At last, I would like to end my conclusion by saying that parents are the burning candle in the life of children. Thank you.
Parents like their kids might also have had some dreams in their teenage. Most of the parents like to fail their most of the parents like to fail their dreams to fail to achieve their dreams due to family and financial issues. In such cases, parents force their kids to achieve their dreams, but that's not the right way to force their kids that's not the right way to force their kids to follow their dreams. This creates some pressure and stress and lot of nonsense, which is not a good for the children. At the time of making discussions, thank you.